Hello YouTube, today I'm going to talk about refinishing headlights. I had some really yellow headlights on my BMWs, so I decided to remove them and go ahead and respray them. I'm still working on this one. So you can see there, I still got to sand off the original coating all around the edge there. And I'm wet sanding, it's still a little wet there. I've been using some 500 grit. And I went to Harbor Freight, get the cheapest place possible, right? Got some 500 grit and 1,000 grit. I won't go to 1,200, no need. After that goes to clear coat. And I used to use this stuff in the past, which isn't as good as you would hope, It lasts like maybe 6 months to a year, and then it will start getting yellow. So you sanded your headlight for nothing, pretty much. I have a car there too. I'll show you an example right now. So in this vehicle, I had used the urethane that you saw just now, the Hellmann's, and it's supposed to be UV resistant. And even though I sanded it all down so it's nice and clear, you can see that either the clear coat or the plastic underneath it's still yellowed out. Still see-through, you still get plenty of good light, which is much better than before, because before it was foggy and you couldn't see anything at night. But it's still yellowed, so it doesn't look that great. So it's going to be double work now. I'm going to sand this back down to, to the plastic and respray it with proper paint. But yeah, so this is what I bought. So I know a local place here in Florida that has, they mix their own paint to do everything for you. And I bought 2K clear coat. I don't know where else you can find it, but this is the name of it if you want to look it up. Maybe somewhere nearby has it, or you can order it online. I have no idea, to be honest. But it's got an activator underneath, so you click that, shake the bottle up, and then you have a certain amount of time to use it before it dries up. So this is, car grade stuff. It should work great to keep these nice and pretty for a long time. So yeah, go ahead and start spraying after I finish that headlight and see how that turns out. Alright, well, I have my headlights here. I did 500 grit, then I did 1,000 grit. Let them dry, and now I'm already pressed the button in and shaking the can. And I think we're ready to rock and roll. Let's see. Let me pull the cap off of the can here. I'm about to put my phone down. Okay, let's see. Okay, great. Let's do a test run. All right. Well, those are 1,000 times better already. And one more in the middle. All right. Next one. Make sure I get those corners. Corners are very important. All right, next one. Okay, last one. This one has condensation on the inside. Uh-oh, this can is dripping. That's not good. Why are we dripping? Let's wipe this one and do it again. Touched it up. Just went ahead and, removed the drip and resprayed it. And look at these. These are already just from sitting for 2 minutes. Pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'll wait a few more minutes and give it another coat. Actually, you know what? I get one more coat right now. That looks so good. Let's make sure we get that clear nice and thick. Gotta be careful though, you don't want any runs, and you don't want it to be too thick where it will start cracking from having too much on it. do want a thick coat so it will last a long time. There we go. Next one. Want to make sure I don't have any orange peel. No, got something just flew up there. Great. I'll have to pull that off later. And the troublemaker headlight. Alright, here we go. It's hard to see with the condensation. Oh, I don't want any orange peel. I have into sand. Okay, that's pretty good. But look at that. Look like new. And this one has condensation, so it's hard to tell. But wow, these are gonna come out great. What a good product. I love instant results. It's that gratification. Well, I'm gonna get some little tweezers and see if I can pull out that little hair out of there, or grass, or whatever that is. But there you go, guys. Nice and clean headlights. I'll probably do a follow-up video in a couple of months to see what they look like. Thanks for watching.